In this video, I will show you how to play Spotify in Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you do have the Spotify app downloaded, so you can download that for free from the Microsoft Store. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is open up Spotify, make sure you're logged into your account, and you can get your songs ready to play. Then all you need to do is come back to Discord. So let's go ahead and open up Discord. What you want to do is jump into a voice channel. So I'm going to go into this one here. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is go into the channel itself, click onto your name. And then what you want to do is come down to the bottom and click this icon here, which says share your screen. Then what you want to do is click to share your screen. And once you've done that, you're going to see this pop-up window here, which is going to be sharing your screen. Now at this point, what you can do is open up the Spotify app and you can start playing your songs. You also want to make sure that on these stream settings, which is going to be this cogwheel here in the preview window, if you give that a click, you want to make sure that share stream audio is turned on. And of course, you want to make sure that whoever you're listening with to Spotify have their stream audio turned on and turned up as well. But by doing that, you'll be able to go ahead and play Spotify in Discord, and that is how to play Spotify on Discord. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.